How to change opacity in Google Slides. If you would like to change opacity in Google Slides, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to basically launch your browser. Now, once you launch your browser, let's say there's a certain shape, whatever shape it is, whether it is a shape or whether it is an image, I want you to simply select that. So let's say you want to edit the opacity for this particular shape. At the top, you will see the fill color button right there. And on the fill color option right here, you will have selected a color. Now, assuming you want to apply a certain maybe transparency to it, you want to just click on the plus option that says custom color. So when you select this, you can see two bars. The above one, we don't want to do anything because this is just for changing the color. What we want to look to reduce and increase the opacity is the second bar right here. For the time being, you'll see the changes on this left hand side of the circle. So you can just drag along this to a certain opacity. Click on OK and you'll be able to increase or decrease the opacity on Google Slides. This way you'll be able to increase or decrease or change opacity on Google Slides. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.